Hi and welcome to BrickTech. Today I'm gonna show you and tell you and show you and tell you again how to create, download, load, and produce and load sounds into your Streamlabs ChatBot. And one way to get them, you can find them on YouTube or you can find them on what's that page called? That orange thingy, SoundCloud. Yeah, oh yeah, on the SoundCloud. And I'm gonna try to find some links so you can easily access them. However, any sound you see on YouTube, any video you see on YouTube, and you decide to cut the sound out, if you use free YouTube to MP3 converter, you can download those sounds from YouTube and then trim them in Audacity and then load them into your Streamlabs ChatBot, assign the command, and then people can use it and it's fun. Pretty good. So let's get... I'm gonna get one sound for now. No, I don't want to download whole playlist. So we have a sound that's gonna be pretty quick. Man screaming... Oh yeah, that's the folder where the sound is downloaded. Man screaming. So we have this in what format do we have this in? Should be MP3. Yeah, it is MP3. So actually, this sound, as it is only this. Looked like someone got badly injured. As it's very short, we don't have to load it into Audacity and produce in MP3. Can just download and use it. But what I would do, because this downloads to your C drive music, when you do format, you're gonna lose it. So I would copy this and paste in your folder where you keep all the sounds. I would recommend to, just for this software, to create a folder in a directory that is where your sound chatbot Streamlabs thingy is created. So I have it here. The users update roaming Streamlabs chatbot, and I have here converted to MP3. I created new folder with tutorial sounds, and my Streamlabs chatbot is located on completely separate drive, so I don't make the same mistake as I made before when I done the format and I forgot all about it and I had to go through all this process again. Luckily I had some sounds created, but it takes some time. So anyway, now as we have this, we just gonna go to not commands, to sound files, add sound, pick the name. Let's put screaming. Whatever the name you select, you choose, or you type. If you tick this, it's going to create the command that will be assigned to your sound. And whatever someone types it with in the chat, it's going to be playing. So if we go to pick and tutorial sounds, man screaming, open and preview. That's really painful even to hear. So of course you can adjust the volume, as this one is 150. It's a little bit too loud. Let's go to 100. Still painful, but that's a bit better. Okay, shut up. So, of course, on top of that, you can create optional response. So whenever someone plays this sound via the command, the message will appear in your chat. So we have that. We just need to click submit. Now, scream should be under F. Screaming. There is screaming. And if there is the screaming, all what I would do, because I have a command, and that gives, yeah, it's here. You have to edit this and add your sound to the list. Scream. So then when you go to your console and you go home. It will be here so people can see it and they can either copy and paste and use it. Oops, I have messed something up. Scream. What did I do? Soundfiles. Because I've put screaming. Genius. See? So you have to be careful with things like this so you don't mess it up like I just did. So now we have to go to commands again and go to F. Now go to comments, edit, and change this scream to screaming. And now we're gonna copy this. Okay, go to console, paste, and so now, of course, tick, 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 tick. Screaming, yeah. All the sounds are added, everything works. That's one of the options. Well, I meant to show you how to edit the sounds as well, so I will find something on YouTube. Let's say movie quotes. 100 greatest movie quotes of all times. Okay. Greatest. Oh, boys! I'm back! Okay, that's from Independence Day. And he went into that super turbo beam. So we do the same trick. Copy link, paste the link, download the sound. We're gonna leave this folder open. This is downloaded here. Oh, I have already some 100 greatest. Now, which one was it? Let's play. Okay, that was temporary file. So we load this into Audacity. I'm gonna put all the links for those softwares in the description so you can easily find them. Jesus. Let's stretch this a bit and make it bigger. And we start from the beginning.
Hello, boys! I'm back!
Knock, knock.
Say hello to my little friend!
Knock, knock.
Oh, let's do knock knock.
Knock, knock.
Let's do knock knock. So we've selected this. Just in case, let's do it a little bit. We copy, Control C, and delete, and Control V.
Knock, knock.
We have a sound. Now we go to export as MP3. We have already tutorial sounds folder selected. Save. OK. And minimize this. And we have the sound.
Knock, knock.
Yeah, didn't change the title, so we got this ready. And now we go through the same steps. Go to Soundfiles, plus on the top. Knock knock, automatically generate the command, which will look like this. So I'm gonna copy this, pick the sound, convert it, tutorial, knock knock, pen review.
Knock.
Nice. Let's make it louder. And just so you remember, whatever you set this now, when you're going to be adding more sounds, this is going to be like your default for the next time. So every time you need to pay attention to this if you want your sound louder or not, because it's going to stay at 140 and all the settings, which is pretty good because it's not like one default setting that you have to adjust every single time you add the sound file. It just stays at your current setup. So, of course, optional response. You can type something, for example. So you'll see this is going to be displayed. Now click, and now we go to comments, and we go to comments, edit, screaming, knock knock, add it. Now go to console, knock knock.
Knock, knock.
See, it plays the sound and it says hello. So this is the way of getting sounds off YouTube and creating them, adapting them, adjusting them, and loading them into Streamlabs. There is a way you can, of course, do your own sounds, just record anything you say. Like I have one comment because I don't always look at the chat, and when people want me to focus on the chat, they just type one comment and I know it's like hello, it calls me, then I look at the chat and then I see it. Because if you really focus in a game and there is some dangerous situation, you don't really want to focus on the chat. Even if someone plays it, then yeah, well, not everyone is understanding. So thank you very much. As I said before, I will include all the softwares in the description, all the links to all the softwares in the description. And if you like, hit like. Please subscribe. There will be more. And until next time, take care now. Bye bye then.